Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get a refund on Ria Money Transfer. First, you need to cancel the transfer before the funds reach the recipient. You can do this online through the Ria app, by contacting customer care, or by visiting a Ria agent in person. If the transfer hasn't been sent yet, you'll get a full refund. If it has already been sent, you may receive a refund of the transfer fee, with funds returned to your original payment method. And that's it. Quick and easy. And that's how to get a refund on Ria Money Transfer. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.